Open Google Chrome browser. Typing download GCC for Windows 10. Click first link. And click download button. Wait 5 seconds for the download to begin. When download completed, double-click to install. To install Gcc Compiler, please click Create button. You can click Remove button if you want to uninstall Gcc Compiler. Please click the first option if your operating system is 32-bit, otherwise click the second option. To check whether you're using a 32-bit or 64-bit version of Windows 10, right-click Windows icon on left corner and click System menu. Click About. Look for the System Info entry. It will show you two pieces of information, whether you're using a 32-bit or 64-bit operating system and whether you have a 64-bit capable processor. My operating system is 64-bit, so I click second option here. We can install GCC at any location if you like. Click the Finish button to complete the installation. Next, check if the installation was successful. Type GCC within terminal. Installation is successful if GCC version number printed, otherwise meet with fail. Let us see how to save the source code in a file, and how to compile and run it. Following are the simple steps. Create a source file named helloworld.c. Edit source file with your any favorite editor. Type the following code carefully. Don't missing any character. We will discuss the code in detail in the next video. Click Save menu to save source file when typing completed. Next, I need compile and execute C program. Change current directory to source file path firstly. Type gcc helloworld.c and press enter to compile your code. If there are no errors in your code, the command prompt will take you to the next line and will generate helloworld.exe executable file on desktop. Now, type helloworld.exe to execute your program. You will see the output Hello World printed on the screen. Thanks for your watching. Don't forget subscribe.